In this video, I will show you how to subscribe to someone on OnlyFans. So if you want to subscribe to someone on OnlyFans and you're not sure on how to do this, then I'm going to show you how this works. So first of all, we're going to open our OnlyFans. So let's click on this. And then in here, as you can see, we are in the OnlyFans application. So if you want to subscribe to someone, then we're going to do the following. So let's say that we want to search for someone, and let's say we want to search for OnlyFans. Then we're going to click on return. And then we will find the OnlyFans page. So let's say that we want to subscribe to the OnlyFans account. Then we're going to click on subscribe in here. And as you can see, this one is for free. So we can just go ahead and click on subscribe. And right now, when we scroll down, we can see under subscription that we have subscribed. So this means that we are subscribed to this channel. And if you want to see it, then we can go to the bottom right section to our profile initials. And then we can just click on following. And then you will see the active subscription in here. So you can just go ahead and click on active like I'm in right now. And then you can see that you are subscribed to this channel. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.